YouTube. So today, I've already started doing it, but I'm sorting my exhaust out, getting rid of the silencer and putting a back box on this, and there's a professional welder and my dad's over there doing his Lexus painting and stuff. Yeah. This is what my car looks at the minute. There's the back box that's going on it. You'll be hanging out here. Yeah. I have to cut the bumper a little bit. Not like that because that looks a bit. I'm going to try and get it so it looks the same. It's alright. Second foot done. Yeah, get his knowledge. The welding sorting on this, so that 3-inch pipe replaces that massive silencer, and I've got that back box to go on it. I'm fitting this now. Hopefully soon. This legend did all the welding. Don't know how he managed to get 3-inch pipe to 2.5-inch pipe. What a sick guy. Just welded the last hanger on. Yeah. Yeah, blocks. Oh man. That's sick. Mid-video photo. YouTube, so you've seen the first half of this video, you've just seen me do a flight, and we're going to film the second half of this work. Well, Mitch's with his Cooper. Well, you're going to see my Volvo though. You'll see it. Yep. YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed that video and enjoyed making it. If you need any welding and fabrication work, let me know in the comments. If you're local to Blackpool, I can make that happen. Just get out my brother. And yeah, I think for the next video, I'm going to install a double din unit on, so basically a little TV screen, make the sound system sound better. And yeah, it's a nice little mod, and I'll make a video show you how to do that. But until then, I will see you in the next one. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, YouTube. Peace.